A new walking trail through the historic Farneto woods was inaugurated today in Trieste as part of the Friuli, Venezia, Giulia and Movimento 10,000 Steps for Health initiative. Local officials and health representatives gathered at Guardiella Garden to launch the scenic walking route aimed at promoting active aging and combating social isolation. The trail winds through the historic Farneto woods, offering a 2 million square meter green escape through nature, history and wellness.
There is this project that is important because allow people to make sport, and sport means also health, and there is also the possibility to know landscapes of our territory that maybe a lot of people don't know again. So there is sport, there is health, and there is tourism. There is a lot of things that make this project growing in our region and reach the number of 132 places where we can do this activity. So we are really happy.
New green tracks for healthcare, for Saliu, for green areas to connect the center city with the Carso, and also to discover precious area of Trieste.